Welcome to Dynatorch. With over 1,000 systems around the world, Dynatorch is fast becoming a leader in the market of low-cost industrial CNC machines. The owners and employees have years of hands-on experience and knowing what works and what doesn't. They have incorporated their knowledge to provide plasma cutting equipment that can be operated by the complete novice with ease and functional simplicity, and yet added so many features that the experienced user will find it to be a major improvement over other systems. Dynatorch is committed to providing industrial-grade plasma and oxy-fuel cutting equipment of the highest quality. Our systems are not kits, home or hobbyist-grade equipment. We assemble and test each product at our factory before it's shipped to you, so you can be assured of top-quality, reliable, and functional equipment that will last through years of hard use. Our equipment is constructed with top-quality components, with features you would only expect in machines costing many times the Dynatorch price. Our cable tracking, linear gantry guides, holding pneumatics, and many other features too numerous to mention are designed for phenomenal accuracy, unbelievable cutting speeds, and long life. You will find the Dynatorch plasma cutting machine to be one of the most useful tools in your shop. From producing fabricated parts such as gussets or brackets, HVAC ducts and transitions, to beautiful artwork, and many other applications, the Dynatorch system can handle them all. You'll only be limited by your own imagination and creativity. Many entire businesses are centered on a Dynatorch cutting system and are part of today's entrepreneurial spirit. We hope you find the balance of this presentation both inspiring and informative. When you start shopping for a CNC plasma system, you'll find many things to consider. Depending on your experience level, you may not even be aware of what is or isn't important. In addition, we include many features that you may not even know exist in a CNC machine. We want you to be a discerning shopper, armed with information that will help you weed out the bad from the good. Some of the features we include may be offered by other manufacturers. However, no other CNC plasma system offers all of the features we do, even at prices several times higher. Let's start with the Dynatorch software. We have developed our own software in-house by our own staff. We do not buy our drive systems from other vendors. This is important because it means we can answer your questions, and we won't be directing you to a vendor for assistance. We know how and why it works. Plus, we have total control over future development. This allows us to regularly add features requested by our customers for special applications, and there are no additional charges for this service. These added features are shared with all of our users, so not only do you not pay for them, you'll benefit from our entire user base. Another advantage is the speed with which we can make changes to the software. We do all of our own coding, so we don't have to wait on other vendors to make our changes. Then we post the updates on our website under What's New on a regular basis. This will keep you up to date and informed on all new features. As a customer, you can download updates from the website anytime it's convenient. Installing an update doesn't require you to re-enter any of our setup information. Each time the system is started, the software will check the motors for the latest version. If required, the update will automatically be loaded into the motor within a few seconds, and you'll be ready to run. It's that simple. Our Dynatorch cutting software is very powerful and feature-rich without becoming a maze of buttons, leaving you confused and frustrated. The main screen used for all cutting has a large graphical display area showing you exactly what will be cut and where the machine is at any time during the cutting process. You can zoom into any detail or click and move to any point on the cutting table. The G-code is displayed and allows you to start on any line in the program. You can also retrace a cut in reverse using our e-stop assistant if the machine stops due to lost arc or collision. Or you can jog to a point close to where you want to restart and click Restart. The machine will find the code closest to where you are and then start cutting. This is important, as you do not want to waste any time or material trying to guess exactly where you were and hoping you're lined up correctly. The machine does it all for you. All of the buttons are in plain English and easy to understand. We also include user-defined positions for your load position and service position, so you can decide where the machine goes with one click of a button, rather than jogging all the way around the table. Your home position, raise the torch, and program zero positions are one-click buttons. To jog the machine, you may want to use the on-screen arrows. Use the keyboard arrows or the optional joystick. You can also set the jog distance for incremental moves. Another important feature of our standard software is being able to convert DXF files to G-code. Many companies don't offer this feature, in which case you'd need to purchase additional software. The software also includes the ability to rotate, scale, or array, and turn G-code back into DXF should you lose your original drawings. A code wizard is built into the software, so you can do basic shapes like rectangles, circles, donuts, and gussets with several options. With our software, you can do basic parts without drawings. You can even go further and combine rectangles and circular arrays for more complex parts. Our software has a vast array of configuration options that allows us to adapt the machine to your requirements. We can also retrofit our drive system to a wide variety of machines. We've had numerous customers that had given up on their old controls and installed a Dynatorch system on their machines. We have experience retrofitting ESAB, Practical CNC, LTEC, CNG, Lindy, Torchmate, Lockformer, and many others. We have never had a customer dump a Dynatorch system in favor of another manufacturer. Our on-screen diagnostics aid us in confirming the system's operations without the need to break out meters and jumpers. Any output can be activated to test the system from the screen. An extremely important part of the Dynatorch system is the built-in torch height control. This is not another external box added on with an additional cost. It is integrated directly into every system that we sell. We pioneered this approach to simplify and enhance plasma cutting. When the company was started, we designed the entire system exclusively for plasma cutting. You'll find some of the other systems that are adapted from milling or general CNC do not have the ability or the benefits of a built-in torch height control. We use arc voltage feedback to adjust and maintain the cutting height while the arc is on. The initial height is established on every cut using encoder and feedback to find the plate and then retract to the pierce height, which you can set on the screen. You can also adjust the amount of force from your screen. Or you can select our patent-pending no-touch initial height sensing option called DASH, or Digital Automatic Standoff Height. This is an industry first, allowing non-contact measurement to locate the correct pierce height automatically. Non-contact means the tip of the torch never touches the plate. No tip contamination or damage. No effects from dirt, oil, or coatings on the metal. Even the lightest gauge metals can be cut without deflection problems associated with force methods or ohmic touch type systems. This is one of the reasons our innovation is leading, while others follow our example. Arc voltage is measured and optically isolated from the electronics to protect the system from the damaging power of the plasma power supply. Our system allows you to adjust the response so you can tailor it to the type of cutting that you do most often. The actual voltage is displayed alongside the set point voltage to confirm operation and to allow you to change the set point while you're cutting. In addition, you can also change the set point voltage using a G-code command. Our system allows you to run with the torch height control in manual mode by using the jog buttons to lower or raise the torch. Our customers find this a very useful option when they're cutting expanded metal, where the voltage cannot remain constant. The torch will retract between cuts to the full-up position to avoid any tip-ups that may occur. If desired, our system allows you to specify the amount of retract distance by simply entering your amount in G-code. You'll find that this saves time when many small holes are required. Another common feature is to do a dry run without cutting, and all it takes is a single mouse click to enable or disable the plasma start output. A major feature that you should look for in any plasma machine is the ability to monitor the arc. This prevents the machine from missing cuts or just going off on a dry run, wasting valuable time and requiring the operator to find the line of code where the machine stopped cutting. We utilize the arc transfer from all mechanized plasma systems in order to confirm cutting is started before the machine begins its cutting motion. If the arc is lost during the cut for any reason, the machine will stop